Welcome to another Todd's
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Brought to you by the National RV Training Academy, the only academy that gives you the credentials to become a certified tech and or certified inspector. Now, before you get caught with your pants down, like we did here in Texas, it's time for you to consider go ahead and purchasing a small generator. Well, what do you need to consider when you purchase that generator? Well, I've got 5 tips for you. The first tip, of course, is going to be weight. You know, a lot of these portable generators, they come in various sizes. The question is there a size that's suitable for you? Now, a lot of us, we all want to look at the biggest generators possible because we know that it may provide more power. But if we can't move it, then it's not so portable. So we want to look at weight. Find out whatever it's going to work for you that you can move it. Now, the second thing, of course, is power. We want to look at the total wattage that's being able to be pulled out, because all small portable generators are going to provide less power than what we're used to inside our rig. We may be used to a 30 amp or maybe even a 50 amp setup, and our portable generator more than likely is going to cut that in half. A portable generator in most cases is going to be anywhere between 1600 watts, maybe up to 3500 watts. The more watts we know, the heavier it's going to be. So let's consider the power. Okay, so whenever you're running off a small generator, just know that you may have to cut back your power consumption. One thing you can do with these portable generators is check to see if we can put 2 together. We can put those in parallel. There's several companies out there that allow you to do that. That way you can move one with the weight that it's provided and move the second one. You double your power by connecting that parallel port, so you can get more power. Third consideration that we want to look at, of course, is the fuel capacity. And all of these generators, they will state that they will actually last so many hours at 50% of the level. So let's think about this. You got a portable generator at 1700 watts. It says it'll do 6 hours at 50% load. Well, 50% load puts you around, what, 700 watts, 800 watts, 850? Well, if you're at that 850 or below, yes, you can get your 6 hours. So you need to consider how big that tank is, that reserve tank on that portable generator. One tip with that is to go ahead and buy some extra 5-gallon gas cans, because you're going to be refilling those up. And the tip would be, of course, to top that off at night, so that way you're not waking up at 2 or 3 a.m. having to refill that portable generator. Third tip that we want to look at, of course, would be the noise factor. Portable generators do make noise, and of course, if we're around other RVers, no one really wants to hear your portable generator. The average that we see out there in most RV parks is somewhere below 58 decibels. So we want to make sure that the portable generator that you have does meet that requirement, or go beyond that, or go lower than that. Now, there's some industrial type generators out there that make quite a bit of noise, maybe 70, 80, upwards of 90. And you may think, well, that's only 1/3 of the noise. Just a little tip for you. If we go from 60 dBs to 70 dBs, 10 additional dBs, the perceived thought would be that it's actually doubling the sound, or the perceived sound would be doubled. So let's not go with a 70, 80, 90 dB type generator if you're going to be around other people. So let's consider the noise. And then finally, it's going to be the quality of the power coming out. How clean is that power? These generators are trying to make an AC sine wave. Some of them on the cheap end, well, they're not going to give us a clean sine wave. Well, what does that mean? If it's just going to be your air conditioner, maybe your furnace, depending on the season, if it's just going to be your TV and maybe some lights, okay, it doesn't matter about the clean energy. But if you've got some high-end electronics, you want to go ahead and get the cleanest sine wave that you can. You got CPAP machines that you're worried about. You've got high-end electronics. Want to get one with a clean sine wave. So those are the 5 tips. Hopefully that will help you out and make sure that you don't get caught with your pants down. If you want to be able to fix the majority of the problems on your rig, let's say you want to open up a business, become a certified inspector or a certified RV technician, head over to our website at nrvta.com, click on programs, and get started today. Hello everybody. Ow. Today let's talk generators. Now, for a lot of you, you kind of got stuck in a situation where 6:30 in the morning. What am I going to say? Well, no. 5 key facts that you need in order to purchase a good, what am I going to do? From time to time, Let me go over 5. Damn. That's what I got. But running, that may not be enough. Can we combine those? Ha! A parallel port. I don't even know what I said there. You can combine those with what, I don't know why I said, caught with your pants down. I mean, how many people actually get caught with their pants down? I mean, is it a thing that we actually have to say, don't get caught with your pants down? Let's go over 5 tips before you choose which generator is for you. Now, before you get caught, are we recording?
We're recording.
All right. Let's talk generators today. I'm gonna go over 5 tips before you choose your generator. Choose.